Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol ha number, khandai nyo, saw, san rin pranon, lani khandai pran rio laisan, an riway khandai pran.
Kumbah nyu pungut kinong trei, kibadi ki non-teaching staff jongka National Institute of Fashion Technology, kabadan ha sauli, kimshim layo tulok mentala Henry Benai. Haka khat santrik ujembang arjar apulai, kidikhat jongka Khasi Students Union Shillong Mingi Circle, kila litur syakani ke Jakarta rekam jongka NIF, bat kila yo ru banyak kendu yu Director jongka NIF, Shankar Kumar Jha, baraka jeng keren bat ulakular ban siyo no menta kata yo, ya barok ketulok basa jong kinong trei. Hakajinya keren bau jauh le itu, bakadau ke jing bamla man penbiang ya ketulop, kadai namar bagidon ke jing bamla man penbiang ya kikot kisla bad kontraktor.
You are talking on behalf of whom? No, first you're talking on behalf of whom? Of NIF. So you will be responsible to pay the salary for all those. This is a case of deprivation. We have already submitted a copy to the Human Rights Commission. Don't think that we are ignorant people.
Please listen. Would you allow me to speak also, please?
So what will you speak? You did not know. You did not know the.
You don't even understand. I understand what she's trying to say. I understand the crux of what ma'am is trying to say. Okay. What we'll do is, if we continue like this, it won't come to. What we're looking for is a solution.
So
since 9 March we came here. What is the solution? Please listen. What is the solution? Let me speak. Let me also speak. No, ma'am. Please.
Ima nakaliang jungim don nakaliang jungingin pamino be yung
Pamino be
namar balai dingim chani aso hidu nakaliang ngin pamino mino kila ong batin kila chale nang nisma di bepukloi Kalau mentah lang beli kibri mentah kisutu jakpo kan, mentah jakpo sama long. Alis nak kalian jom kiru long ong ini lagi kuat kalau penkloy nomor bakini kibri trip tak ni mentah sah jom ni setiu. Yes, it is ready in office. Mentan, seperti saya katakan tulak saya beli kibri mentan. Kalau ni dia kena pelak tulak tak mah, pelak dia mesti asuma. Saya nak korang, kita nak bawa ni tidak bawa.
Gila siap sauna gila kuat bisa.
Hilong biara biru. Bukti tinggi ni ambil. Kami mesti apa ni?
Dia nak keluar sisin. Ikon nak keluar sisin. Ikon am. Tetapi ikon nak keluar. Siap semua. Ikon mana?
Apa kamera jong jengkai personal kamera kabel you know permission. Ami, ini apa ni?
Ganesh kamal ada nyos ngawi ko kubor berngam ban be kami gini dai minuan dak pati isu
From our side,
Feeling like I warning you here. Feeling like I warning
you work here in Shillong you have to cooperate with us okay
Ngimdan kabor ngi bangin ong bangin pelaj mengi ketulop dengan iu. Keren berbor. Laju keren berbor. So, ndek bangin keren ni je keren ni. Keren gede bon tolong bungi. Kalau bon tu jong o pat iu kabel nang tay 4 pelaj. Teng nang ni jong iu nai kin haban audit kidang Islam. Kejing Islam gamdai kang Islam ada sauna je pi.
Babu badal buram ni pi. Lada audit ya kabil jong pi sau benai. Ki kun pi kin im tarai.
sabuna ada yang ayam
Hangi khang trai ki handicap ki trai ki babiang lut. Ki dai ban proses ya kabil jong sau benai ndai.
Kano kan genuine reason bagi ai ini ni.
ini siapa kata ya reason kadang kata
Kali kopi kalau main cuti tekstan ni ke polling do kontrak sama.
Saya mau sign ya balik sign
Commission, Maya Commission, Kamoran Commission, dah kenal.
today by today
Bye today. Kapan release salary? Kapan minjem 6 syam sok?
Yit phai ta kontraktor kadap ai ke belum tu mau tai pan sign
Mga badang kamba sau belai san belai kabil nga ai pam aspa respam.
Kejiwan jungi manta kesengi hakni ka jakapuli jungi kena ke bangi tip kanif kemudian hangni hapo umsauli kalong bahadin bangi layo ya kejing jor na ki katu kaningut berkemjuru na kamenta kitu ki berang tre hni la pha yangi kejing pentip kejing jor ba ya kejing le palat jongni director te kumta ngi na kaliang jong kaseng abangi layo ikni khubor ngam la bansha tang haki tang haladi ndai ngi hab banwan mi sakni ka jaka bani kren buat director kini ketika senjam ke ba ngi sim ban pesutu director ke ek belajar ban menta kasengi layo ban keren badu ban nakaliang jong uru wala ay ka asran ba ban clear kita ki salary ke ba maki gila pending hadu nri banai ye kumta nakaliang jong wala ay ka asran haki ba un pelaj kita ka salary bat kumjuru haga bede ban weng kam yaki nakaliang jong kum kaseng ngin mailat ban ngin sya nakaliang jong uru wala ay kata ka asran bakat bala ba unum weng yakini ki staff ki betre ni kum kinan teaching staff Yengi na kaliang jong kaseng ni kenturu ia kiwei ki director ki badan hakani ka jela ka jongi bakim dai ban treat ia ki staff da ka ke bala ban pensusi ia ki bat ki dai ban dan ke jing stu jumut lang hapading ginong tre bat ki staff faculty baro na kaliang jongi kaseng kata kantin ka bangi pha ikni karwo ka basai wat chak sarkaru meladong ka bala community director lada open issue ia ke jing hakamat ki staff kumut ban kaliang jongi kaseng kentu ba kadi ban weng mardor yo ni director bat ban bu do bola ban yistu bat ban trelang bat ki tangkatai boleh sibon te kat kum kejing tip ke ba ngiyo kidon hi kumba ki teaching staff ru kumba arpungut ai ndai nakaliang jong ki non teaching staff kidon hadu kumba nyo pho tam ngut te nakaliang jong ki baro ki kita ki nyo pho ngut ki non teaching staff kidai ki batrai mali kidai ki batrai security kidai ki bapai hames bat kumta bat kiwe te nakaliang juki ki lapen i kata kejing baki kendu ngimban si bana kalian juga sengru nihap ban wan skin jaka ban yarap na ka kecing ka bamaki ke kando hadin bangilayo ban yakren ban director na kalian juu ulapen i kata kecing ba hagbede bat ka ban san ya kata ka agreement ka agreement ka bede hapreng jong mau bat kata ka agency ko dipe ya ki security bat kumju ya ki weru ki nanti jing staff ke kumta na kalian juu uru ula banjur bat ulapen pa hongi ba un push yakiru agency ba kimdai ban penslam than ya kata ka agreement ban sign di kot kisla ban penbiang penbet ya kita salary nam ta jongki namar ba yiru kidon kam ban thiet ya ki jingbam jingdi hayang asam ban pendap ya ki jidot kam jong kayeng ndai mentala sau banai san banai nriu banai ru kidon ki badang syak set tulom ke nilayo ru kajing tim bat ngi iru ya ki kot kisla ki bala sign po office jongu ba lagum no mentahi ke diau uri man polite no ya kata salary but kumjuru na kam ta kiwe ki bonbe security ru kin sayo no ya kata salary mentahi ka tayo but kat kum ka jing ong ju ka dai la shai ka singi dai kimilenti ba ka kular ju kan long ka ba ya baik khnang ba maki bopli kinam syam ya kata jing ya ku chin chin ja
ti ning kong ning shop nga ai kuble ya ka KSU kabladun ka mensim ka bejin sur ban pej lang yangi baru ke biadun bentah nif ki bala ya sha stom ni sausan banai ki payment ki bil sungi la sha sen bat kini ki bayang shadin jonga ki battery kum ki housekeeping ki battery kum ki warden ki battery kum ki electrician kini la kum ban ru banai ki kamyo tulop ting la ya sha ya kani jing la lai sau banai mentah kat sya ka bangi le ikandu iki ki kenting yangi na ka wai shawai department ting ban sim ya kani sin jam ban wan pan jing rap na phi kini ki para jungi kimen jungi ki balak loy banwan yarap yangi kapor ke bangi don kam de ka jingwan jong pi bu director ru bat baru ki bayadon tilang kani ka administration kelakular ba kin nangi syakmat ba katulop jungi kan khut bet manu banai bat ya kani pending bat kini ki pending bill salary ki bampat yo ru ngin yo no la shaile la shisni de jing songu ba jing somburom jongi ya ke KSU na liang baru ak battery hanif ni ai kuble yepi boble nang terku nang yalam lenti yepi hakman ke sin jam ka ba pi ya ka burom jong pi kan nang ki shapran kuble shibun.
There was some agitation made by people regarding the not the timely payment of their salaries of the outsourced staff. So as an institutions, central government institutions, we also required to make certain kind of formalities like the provision of the agreements, signed copy of the agreement, as well as this security deposit. So we call all the contractors in our institute and address the issues. And I think the agreement and all have been signed. So the salary will be streamlined very soon. But the main reason was the contract was signed, but the agreement was not made. And a few contractors were not deposited even the last week only they deposited the security deposit. So prior to release of the salaries, all these formalities are to be taken care by. Given the assurance, even the paperwork like the agreement and all has already been completed. So things are being taken care.